Alright guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to turn off commercial sounds on TikTok. So for you to do this, let's go to our TikTok. So once on your TikTok like this, so right here you're on your TikTok home page where you get to see several videos on TikTok. So what you want to do at this point is click on this plus button. Once you click on the plus button, then come over to where you have add sounds. So once you click on add sounds, as you can see right here, we are having all the commercial sounds right here. So I want to show you guys how to turn it off. Do you understand? So click on this cancel button right here, then go back again. Do you understand? So now go to your profile, then you want to click on the hamburger icon up here. So once you click on that, come to where you have settings and privacy. So once you're here, then proceed and click on accounts. Do you understand? Click on accounts, and you can see right here we have account information, password, passkey, and switch to personal account. So go ahead and click switch to personal account. So click switch anyway. Are you following me guys? So now it means the account has been switched to a personal account. So now let's go back and try to make a post on TikTok again. So once I click on the plus button right here, then I go ahead and add a sound. Let's see. So once I click on add a sound, can you see all the commercial songs have been removed? All the commercial sounds have been removed, and that is basically how you go about offering commercial sounds on TikTok. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel.